a full heart and a clear conscience, I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives.
I abstain.
Nakita niyo ho yan si Congressman Barsaga. Siya lang ho talaga ang nakakagawang ganyan. Mantagin niyo, napapatawan niya ho itong mga tolonggresman. Ito na nga ho ang pinakahihintay ng taong bayan, mga ka-update. Ngayong araw pong ito, opisyal na hong nagbaba sa pwesto itong si Crocodile. Di ba mga ka-update? Kilalang kilala na natin ito si Martin Romualdez. Kilalang kilala na ho siya buong Pilipinas. Hindi lang ho yan yung ating pagkakaalam. Kasi nga dito mga ka-update meron po tayong ipapakitang picture dito Ito po. Ayan. Diba? Bago siya magbaba sa pwesto, ipakita ho natin yung ayan po nakala po ito sa isang bilyonaryo news. Lavish lifestyle. Ayan mo mga ka-update, basahin na lang ho natin. Romualdez bumili umano ng 2 private jets mula kay Lucio Tan. Kaya mga ka-update, kahit na magbabaho sa pwesto itong mamang ito, itong si Crocodile, mga ka-update, hindi pa rin ho sapat iyon. Hindi pa rin ho sapat yung mga pagbababa niya. Kailangan pa rin pong managot nito sa batas. Kasi nga nakalkal ho kung ano ang totoong kabuhayan nila. Kung ano talaga ang mga meron pa sila. Di ba? May anak ho yan nag-aaral sa ibang bansa mga ka-update. Yung mga anak niya hong lalaki. Bawat year mga ka-update nagbabayad ho sila ng tuition ng 8 to 10 million pesos. Samantalang ang congressman mga ka-update, magkano po ba ang sinasahod nila? Magkano po ba ang kinikita nila, ang sahod nila? Di ba? Kaya nakakapagtaka ho yung mga ganyang lifestyle na. Isipin mo na nga lang ho yan mga jet. Mabibili ba ng isang hindi kurakot na congressman yung ganyang kamahal? Di ba? Kaya mga ka-update, ang pinakamaganda hong mangyari ngayon, kahit na magbaba sa pwesto itong si Tambaluslos, mapris ho lahat ng ari-arian nila. Lahat ho ng pwedeng mapapakinabangan nila. Yun po ang pinakamaganda dun. Di ba? Yun po ang pinakamaganda. Hindi po natin maisip mga ka-update Isipin nyo, si Congress Meow Meow lang pala ang makakapagpatalsik dito kay Tamba. Di ba? Si Congress Meow Meow lang pala ang kayang magpatanggal sa pwesto nitong si Speaker Romualdez. Kaya mga ka-update, pakinggan ho natin itong naging pagdadakdak ni Tambaluslos sa kanyang pagre-resign. Napapalitan na nga ho siya nitong isa pang nag-ahari dyan sa Isabela. Kaya mga update, simulan na ho natin.
Sa inyong lahat. I stand before you today with utmost humility and with deep gratitude for the trust and confidence you have accorded me. That trust has been the source of my strength in every day of service.
FYI lang Tamba, anong sinasabi mong trust na ibinigay sa'yo ng taong bayan? Sa itsura mong yan, Tambaluslos, wala hong magtitiwala sa inyo. Diba? Nagtitiwala lang naman dito kay Tambaluslos, mga ka-update, yun pong mga nagagamit niya, yun pong kaya niyang bayaran. Pero buong Pilipinas mga ka-update, alam po yung pangungurap niya. Diba? Alam na alam ho lahat ho ng kaanimalang ginagawa nila sa ating bayan.
When I assumed this responsibility, I made a solemn commitment that the House of Representatives would be the people's house. Isang kongresong bukas, tapat, at tunay na naglilingkod. Yet leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the present. In his recent State of the Nation address, our President reminded us that accountability must prevail and that no one is above scrutiny. I fully and unequivocally embrace that call.
Accountability nalalaman mo dyan, tambaluslos. Ano pa ang dinadakdak mo dyan? Diba, kung hindi naman kasi kayo madawit, hindi mabulgar yung mga pangalan nyo, panigurado naman hindi ka magbababa sa pwesto. Hindi ka masisibak dyan. Diba, diretsahan lang ho tayo. Diba? Kung hindi naman po napangalanan nitong si Tambaluslos mga kabdik, panigurado naman nandyan pa rin yan at nambubulsa na naman. Ganun naman po ang ginagawa nila eh.
The issues surrounding certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me, but upon this institution we all serve. Ang ating mga kababayan ay naghahangad ng linaw at higit sa lahat ng tiwala. Tungkulin natin ito'y may balik. The longer I stay, the heavier that burden grows on me, on this House, and on the President I've always sought to support. And so, after deep reflection and prayer, I have made a decision today with a full heart and a clear conscience. I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives. I do this so that the Independent Commission on Infrastructure may pursue its mandate freely and fully, without doubt, without interference, without undue influence. Walang pipigil, walang makikialam. Let the truth emerge and let justice be done. My colleagues, carry forward the work of this institution with unity and resolve. The Filipino people never lose faith in democracy, for it remains capable of self-correction and renewal. Mga minamahal kong kababayan, I leave this chamber as I first entered it. A humble servant, ready to serve wherever duty may call. I step down not in surrender, but in service. For sometimes, the greatest act of leadership is the grace to let it go. So that this institution may endure stronger than ever before. Madamo nga salamat, ayo nga tanan. Mabuhay ang Kongreso ng Taumbayan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Session suspended.
Session resumed. Majority Leader.
Madam Presiding Officer, I move to open the table for nominations for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives.
There's a motion to open the table for nominations for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives. There being no objection, the motion is approved. The nominations are now in order. Majority Leader.
Madam Presiding Officer, I move to recognize the Honorable Ralph Wendell P. Tulfo from the 2nd District of Quezon City to make his nomination.
The Honorable Ralph Wendell P. Tulfo from the 2nd District of Quezon City is recognized.
Madam Speaker, I move to nominate Honorable Faustino Boji D. III for the position of the Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Majority Floor Leader.
Madam Presiding Officer, I move to recognize the Honorable Antonio Tony Pet T. Albano from the 1st District of Isabela to second the nomination.
Madam Speaker, this humble representation seconds the nomination for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives, Congressman Faustino Boji Gomez D. III.
Majority Floor Leader.
Madam Presiding Officer, there being no other nomination for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives, I move to close the table for nominations.
There is a motion to close the table for nomination for the position of Speaker of the House of Representatives. There being no objection, the motion is carried. Majority Floor Leader.
Madam Presiding Officer, I move to proceed to the election of the Speaker of the House of Representatives.
There is a motion to proceed to the election of the Speaker of the House of Representatives. There being no objection, the motion is approved. The election of the Speaker of the House of Representatives is now in order. The Secretary General will now call the roll of members. May we request members, upon being called, to state the name of the candidate they are voting for as Speaker of the House of Representatives without explanation.
Roll of members, 20th Congress, first regular session, 25 to 28 as of August 11, 2025. Avalos. Abante. Asidre.
May tinatago nga siya. Di lang isa, dalawa pa. Buti to walang tinatago. McDo Math Deals. Legit discounts na walang eme. Mars!
Vote for DS Faustino D as Speaker of the House.
Acosta.
For the 3rd District of Palawan, Mr. Speaker, we vote for Congressman Faustino D.
Adjong.
D for Speaker.
Advincula.
I vote for Faustino Boji D. III as Speaker of the House. Thank you.
Agaraw.
Speaker Faustino Boji D.
Agyaw.
From the Lone District of Kalinga, I vote for Faustino Bojidi for the 20th Congress as Speakership.
Alano.
From the Lone District of Basilan, I vote for Congressman Faustino Bojidi.
Alba.
From the 1st District of Bukidnon, I vote for Representative Faustino Bojidi for Speaker of the House.
Albano.
From the 1st District of Province of Isabela, I vote for Faustino Boji D. III.
Almario Chino Miguel.
From the 2nd District of the Province of Davao Oriental, this representation votes for Honorable Faustino Boji D. III, Mr. Speaker.
Almario Dennis.
From Makati City, 2nd Congressional District, my vote is for Congressman Faustino D. III. Thank you very much.
Almonte.
For the 1st District of Misamis Occidental, I'll vote for Faustina D. III.
Alvarez Jose.
My vote goes to Faustino OGD.
Alvarez Mercedes.
Madam Speaker, I vote for Faustino D. III.
Amante.
From the 3rd District of Laguna, my vote is for Faustino Boji D for Speaker of the House.
Amatong.
D.
Ang wala. Anggara.
Bago yan mga kabdita, isingit lang din ho natin itong lavish lifestyle din nitong si Saldico. Ayan po mga kabdito, basahin na rin po natin. Pinull out na raw ang luxury jets at chopper sa Pilipinas. Diba? Isipin nyo po mga kabdita, congressman. Pero ganyan yung mga ari-arian, yung mga gamit na meron ho sila. Hindi ho po ba kayo magtataka? Diba? Yung lang pamangkin niya mga kabdita, balikan ho natin kasi ho, tayo po yung nagbabayad sa ninanakaw ho nila. Tayo ho yung mga taxpayer eh. Kaya hindi po natin pwedeng palampasin yung ginagawa nilang kababuyan, yung mga pagnanakaw ho nila. Diba? Hanggat hindi po sila mananagot, hindi ho tayo titigil na humingi ng hustisya. Natanggal nga si Romualdez mga kabdita, pero kailangan i-freeze yung kanilang ari-arian. Ganon din ho itong si Saldico, nasa Amerika na mga kabdite. Mga bali-balita po ngayon, alam nyo po ba? Na yung mga bahay ho nila, wala na hong tao. At yung mga gamit, unti-unti na hong kinukuha. Diba? Ibig sabihin mga kabdite, nagmamigrate lang ho sila. Pero hindi pa rin nananagot. Kaya mga kabdite, etong September 21, wala ho tayong kulay. Magkaisa muna ho tayo. Diba? Magkaisa muna ho tayo. Magtulong-tulong tayo mga ka-update. Huwag muna po natin pag-awayin ang ating mga kapwa. Wala muna ho sanang kakamping, wala muna sanang DDS. Di ba? Magkaisa muna ho tayo mga ka-update. Yun lang po ang simpleng hinihingi ng ating mga kababayan. Magtulong-tulong ho tayong mapabagsak, makulong, managot yung mga sangkot dito sa nangyayaring anomalya sa ating bansa. Yung mga nakawan na nangyayari. Yun lang ho mga update.
This representation from the Lone District of Aurora votes for Faustino Boji D. III for Speaker.
Angeles.
From the 2nd District of Tarlac, I vote for Congressman Faustino D. III.
Aquino.
For the Lone District of Butuan City, I vote for Faustino Boji D.
Aquino Magsaysay.
For United Senior Citizens Party List, I vote for Congressman Faustino D.
Harbison Munir.
From the 2nd District of Sulu, I vote for Faustino D.
Harbison Munir Jr.
Faustino Boji D. III.
Arenas. Arrogancia.
From the 3rd District of Quezon Province, I vote for Faustino D. for Speaker of the House of Representatives. Thank you.
Asistio.
From 3rd District of Caloocan City, my vote is for Representative Faustino Boji.
Atayde.
Madam Chair, from Quezon City, District 1, my vote goes for Honorable Faustino Boji D. for Speaker of the House.
Comentado. Ayon. Ayun.
Madam Chairman, from Swerte Party List, being a member of the minority, I choose to abstain. Thank you.
Bagaw, Banyas Nograles,
From Lone District of General Santos City, I am voting for Congressman Faustino Boji D.
Bancoro,
From the 1st District of Zamboanga, Sibugay, I vote for Honorable Faustino Boji D as Speaker.
Barba,
Di Buto City may kadwa distrito, di probinsya de Ilocos Norte, kahit para kay ni Diputado Faustino Boji D. III.
Barbers,
In behalf of the people of Surigao del Norte, District 2, my vote is for Speaker Faustino D.
Baronda,
From the Lone District of Iloilo City, my vote is for Faustino Boji D. III.
Barsaga,
I abstain.
Baskog,
Nakita niyo ho yan si Congressman Barsaga. Siya lang ho talaga ang nakakagawang ganyan. Mantagin niyo, napapatawan niya ho itong mga congressman. Di ba? Napapatawa niya pa ho, mga abdi.
This representation from the 1st District of Agusan del Sur, I cast my vote to Representative Faustino Boji D. III.
Bautista Clode, wala. Bautista Joan Monique,
On behalf of Trabaho Party List, I vote for the Honorable Faustino D. III as Speaker of the House.
Bautista Lim, Beltran, wala, no? Benitez Alfredo,
From the Lone District of Bacolod City, I gladly vote for Faustino D.
Benitez Javier Miguel,
Madam Speaker, from the 3rd District of Negros Occidental, this representation votes for Congressman Faustino Boji D. III.
Bernos Ching,
From the Solid North Party List, my vote is for Congressman Boji D.
Bernos JB,
From the Lone District of Abra, I vote for Boji D.
Biron,
From the 4th District of the Province of Iloilo, I vote for Faustino Boji D. III.
Bukobo,
From the 2nd District of Taguig, I vote for Faustino Boji D. III.
Bolilia,
From the 4th District, Province of Batangas, my vote is for Faustino D. as House Speaker.
Bundok,
From the 4th District of Pampanga, I am voting
for Faustino Boji D as Speaker.
Briones,
From Aga Party List, I vote for Faustino Boji D, the third, as Speaker of the House.
Bulut Begdan,
For the Lone District of Apayao, I vote for Congressman Faustino D. III.
Cagas,
From the Lone District of Davao del Sur, I vote for Faustino Boji D. III.
Calderon,
I vote Faustino D for Speaker.
Calixto,
From Lone District of Pasay, I vote for Faustino D. III as Speaker.